Have you ever wondered what's holding you back from living your best life? Why you always question your self-worth? And why you limit yourself from experiencing the best life possible for you? Hi, I'm CS Neha Bajaj, your self-love lifestyle mentor, and very warm welcome to each one of you to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. First of all, a very happy Guru Purnima to everyone, especially my family and friends, my teachers, my mentors, and everyone who has taught me amazingly beautiful life lessons. And today, I'm here to tell you all a truth of life. As a guru myself, I always feel how beautiful it would be if we all can just instill this one confidence within every child, especially in his or her growing years, that they are amazing. They are perfect just the way they are. They are capable of doing anything, achieving anything in life because they are worthy, they are abundant, and they deserve it all. That they are gifted with limitless possibilities in life. Think about it and then tell me, Neha, you are right. It's self-doubt. It's self-doubt that's stopping me. Yes, friends, self-doubt is what is holding you back from living the life you really want to experience. It's lack of self-love that I never ever thought of, but now I realize what all I have been missing all my life. I can never forget how my journey of self-love and self-transformation began. When I first used to talk about it, people would think it's being selfish. And they are still in the same thinking mode, not change at all. But there's nothing same about me. I have changed, I have evolved, and I have become the next better version of myself. I have traveled a journey since I first started. I have experienced so many things since then. But if you'll ask me, Neha, when are you going to get back to your older life? Your version before your journey of self-love and self-transformation began? And my answer would be just one word. Never. Self-love is a transformation of personal empowerment. It's about recognizing your self-worth and embracing your true potential. Self-love is about treating yourself with kindness and respect. You can start by acknowledging your strengths and celebrating small wins, build a positive mindset, and so much more. And when I have done that, how could anyone just possibly think I could go back to my older self? That version of Neha no longer exists. And that version of anyone can never exist. And I'm talking about this for each one of you who have ever experienced this kind of transformation. For those of you who have never experienced, I would highly recommend to start this journey. I guarantee you, you will never have any regrets in your life. But it all starts with one word. It all starts with one word, and that is choice. Your choice. So, you want to live you have always been living like? Or do you want to experience a life because you know you are limitless? What is it that you want? It's your choice, my friends. But this choice is going to define your life. Today is a very auspicious day of Guru Purnima, and I would highly recommend you all just take out some time from your busy schedule and reflect on what I have discussed today. Because it's the same podcast, the Daily Self-Love Podcast, but your host has evolved to yet another level. From this particular podcast and from your host, that is me, you will get your daily dose of self-love, your self-love lifestyle mentor, that is me. I am always here for you to help you in this magical and powerful journey. And so, tighten your seatbelt because, like I mentioned, this particular season of the Daily Self-Love Podcast is going to be even more magical and more powerful for you all. So, stay tuned for my next episode where I'll discuss yet another powerful aspect of self-love that can transform your perspective, your mindset, your lifestyle. But only if you allow that to happen. I would highly recommend for you to tune in to your Instagram and share your reflection from today's episode using hashtag TDSLP, in caps TDSLP, the Daily Self-Love Podcast, and tag me at @CS Neha Bajaj. Today, we are restarting this beautiful journey on this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, and I'm super excited for this. I just hope you are too. Want to leave you all with this one simple thought, that self-love is not a destination, but a continuous journey. If you are starting it off, I would highly recommend to embrace it wholeheartedly. There can never be a middle way. Either you are in or you are not. If you are trying to get into this particular journey, you have to be all in. But like I mentioned earlier, you will never have any regrets in life. That's for sure. With that, I'm CS Neha Bajaj signing off for now. Till next time, stay blessed, stay happy and stay self-loved. And check the description for all the links to connect with me on other social media platforms. Till next time, adios, bye-bye.